Aloha from Lisbon. It's Lucky, everybody's favorite wellness author. I am sharing with you a meditation. I am safe and I am loved. You can place your hand over your heart if that feels good to you. We're going to breathe in. I am safe. And release. I am loved. Another breath in. I am safe. I am loved. And one more breath in together. I am safe. And I am loved. We are thankful that we are safe and loved by the universe. And I invite you to my Walking Wellness Workshop if you happen to be here in Lisbon on Wednesday, June 5th, which is tomorrow at 7 p.m. You can message me for where to meet. And if you're not here then, no worries. I have other options. On the equinox in September, I'm offering a really cool online spiritual retreat. You can come to that. And I love sharing my wellness tools. They're not separate from my awesome life. I get to practice wellness tools when I'm at home on Maui and when I travel and when I connect with my higher self and my higher power, whom I call my Heavenly Mother. I get to partner with the most wonderful forces within myself and the great beyond and create a really fun life. And I invite you to join me. And I'm so glad to share this quick meditation with you. And it doesn't take, that's the cool thing about wellness tools. It doesn't take all day. It's just some quiet time here and there to connect and send love into the universe and receive the love that's all around us. Aloha.